Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel PSC Confidence Booster. Today we see 25 important multiple choice questions related to electrical instruments and measurements. Question number 1. The spring material used in a spring control device should have the following property. Answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 2. Why is a MISE meter not recommended for DC measurement? Answer is option C. The error is high due to hysteresis effect. Question number 3. A moving iron ammeter may be compensated for frequency errors by. Answer is option C. Shunt capacitance. Question number 4. For the measurement of flow rate of liquid, the method used is. Answer is option C. Coriolis method. Question number 5. A milliammeter can be used as. Answer is option A. Voltmeter and ammeter. Question number 6. Which instrument has identical calibration for AC as well as DC values? Answer is option A. Hot wire type. Question number 7. An instrument used for measurement and control should preferably have. Answer is option B. Linear output and fast response. Question number 8. The current coil of a wattmeter is connected to the CT of R phase. The potential coil connected across Y and B phases the wattmeter measures. Answer is option C. Reactive power of R phase. Question number 9. The problem of electrostatic coupling in a transformer is acute at. Answer is option C. High frequencies. Question number 10. Which meter is suitable for the measurement of 10 millivolt at 50 megahertz? Answer is option B. CRO. Question number 11. The thermocouple instruments do not have. Answer is option D. High degree of measuring accuracy. Question number 12. Some wire wound resistors have bifilar winding. This type of winding is used to. Answer is option C. Reduce the inductance of winding. Question number 13. weighing bridge is used for measuring? Answer is option D, high frequency. Question number 14. A mother is usually. Answer is option D, moving coil type instrument. Question number 15. A moving ion meter may be compensated for frequency errors by. Answer is option C, shunt capacitance. Question number 16. Real crust voltmeter is used for measurement of. Answer is option D, high AC voltage. Question number 17. The thermocouple instrument will measure. Answer is option D, none of the above. Question number 18. PMMC type instruments normally use. Answer is option C, eddy current damping. Question number 19. Jewels are used in instruments for the purpose of. Answer is option D, bearing. Question number 20. Considering cost of instruments, which is better choice, active or passive? Answer is option B, passive instruments. Question number 21. In dead weight gauge, weights are added on the top of piston until the piston reaches a datum level. The datum level is known as. Answer is option A, null point. Question number 22. An RMS reading voltmeter can accurately measure voltages of. Answer is option B, all of these. Question number 23. The accuracy of the deflection type instruments and of the null type instruments depends on. Answer is option C, linearity and calibration of spring, calibration of weights. Question number 24. In terms of usage, deflection type instruments are. Answer is option A, more convenient than null type instruments. Question number 25. The electromagnetic effect is generally utilized for. Answer is option D, all of these.